The ultimate thing, though, is I know I'm going to lose a significant amount of subscribers tonight because all of my normal content is coming out and scaring people away, which is good. I like it. If you don't want to be here, please don't ever be here. Please don't be here. Like, no one's forcing you to. But if you are here, I will grab you right by the penis, or I guess if you're a lady, there's like a 1 in 3 chance I'll drag you by your labia to the facts, the truth, and I won't sugarcoat it. I won't fucking lie to you, and I won't sit here and like try and pander to your shitty opinion or your shitty disposition or your sunny disposition or opinion. I don't care about any of that. I'm just here to deliver you what the law is. And I happen to be fucking right on this one. And I have been from the start, and I'm finally vindicated on it. And it makes me happy because that smug motherfucker on Destiny stream said I was wrong about Stare Decisis, but I was goddamn right. And Alito basically, not quite quotes me because he didn't have any fucks in there, but Alito says what I was saying. And these little fucking weirdo lawyers and law students come out and they're like, no, stare decisis is really important. It's like, it's pretty important, but it cannot be the basis for why a law persists. Because stare decisis just means someone else said it before, and you should give deference to the fact that someone dealt with the issue. But if it was a bad decision from the start, it's a bad decision today. And just because it's existed for 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 years doesn't mean you keep shit law when you have the chance to undo the shit. So we're going to talk about that. But for my liberal leftist friends who may be out there, there's a couple of you, you have to understand I love you guys so much. You have, I think that's the gay language that you guys use, but I love you, like, legitimately, because you challenge and you contemplate and you ponder, and that's critical. It doesn't seem like it, but that's what I do. I do that in my spare time, though. I don't have time on the show to be too confused about things. You got to be cocksure if you're on the internet. This is sales 101. But I do actually really appreciate that. And I appreciate that you guys are here. So hear me out on this, because I'll tell you something up front, and I'll do it again when we get fully into the topic. But I think abortion is reprehensible. However, I don't condemn women who have had abortions or who have abortions legally. I really don't. I mean, that's not my job. I don't judge people for a lot of stuff. If you touch kids, I judge you pretty hard. But other than that, like, I really don't. And my personal opinions on what something is are that. But I'm not here to tell anybody else what to do. Don't tell people what to do in their lives in any other aspect. I don't know why this would be different. I'll tell you what I'd like you to do. And if you ask me for advice, I'll give it to you. But I'm just a guy, right? Like, what do you want? You want more than that? I don't know. I'm not your dad. So what the hell? And if she says otherwise, you slap your mother. But yeah, so I don't condemn women. I do condemn doctors and nurses who assist in that procedure. I think that's a different character and caliber. They're not the ones making the decision. But I don't condemn moms. I really don't. Well, not moms? I don't know the PC way to say it. I don't condemn women for this decision. They have been lied to and manipulated and given false realities by people for so long that how can you blame people who do this? But doctors, nurses, whatever, they know. They know what's in there. They know what's going on. They know what they're doing. There's a bunch of women who don't. And if you don't like that, I'll stick around. I'll fucking piss you off a whole lot tonight. And you should be mad. You should be mad about this. Both sides. Republicans, you should be mad that it took this long. Democrats, you should be mad that the Supreme Court was politicized against you. It wasn't. Republicans should be mad that it took a politicization of the court to get here, because this was bad law from the start. And if a single fucking vagina wielder out there tries to tell me that men don't get to have an opinion on an abortion, okay, you want to throw down, you clitoral riding weirdo. You want to say men don't get to get a choice, don't get the input on abortion? I accept your offer. And Roe versus Wade, which was decided by 9 men and argued by 2 more, must be overturned, because men don't get a say in abortion. So I accept your offer. And think about that the next time you use that dumb fucking line. Oh my Christ. Because we're not here for gotchas. We're not here for little lines. It's not what this is about. It's not what this is about. This is about the law. This is about the ability to say what needs to be said and do what needs to be done, and the ability to control your environment a little more. Yes, the Supreme Court has empowered you this day. The Supreme Court has told you and given you all the ammunition you could ever want, both sides, to put your money and your vote where your mouth is. Talk a lot about how everybody loves abortion, only a bunch of fucking weirdos hate it. It's big talk. Now they're giving you the opportunity to put that big talk into big practice. And you can do it. Ladies, gentlemen, you can make abortion as legal or illegal as you want. All you have to do is convince the rest of your state that you're right.